Alright, moving on to the next one, which is a basic topic, and me, Muhammad Faisal Biruswari, will present about it. So now we're going to talk about the basic option itself. So there are many strategies that traders can adopt with options basic strategy depending on the outlook of the underlying asset. Either the price is likely to rise or fall. So this perspective can be broadly grouped into bullish and bearish strategy. So as you can see on the table, there's the position of the long and short, and this type, which is a long calls, long puts, short calls, short puts, and the outlook of the each of the position and the times. So we moving on into the questions. So the question today will be found on the textbook Introduction to the Malaysian Derivative, page 194, question number 5. So the question is to consider the following quotation of the ABC option, which is type of the calls and put. Strike price 5 ringgit for each types, and the option price of the calls is 40 cents and 25 cents for the puts. So the question is asking for the establish a pair of profile for A, long call, B, long put, C, short call, and D, short put. So now we're going to answer the question for the long call. So the first step you need to do is to look at the outlook. So the outlook for the long call is bullish, and then the second step you need to do identify the parameters. So as the question says, the EP is a 5 ringgit and premium paid is 40 cents. So for the BEP, we have to add both of the EP and the premium paid, so equal to 5 ringgit and 40 cents. After we already find the parameters, so we have to draw and pair off the diagram. So this is the pair of diagram, as you can see from the diagram, and then we can go to this fourth step, which is the pair of profile. So from this diagram, we can see that for the unlimited profit, the profit is unlimited profit when the CMP is more than BEP, which is break-even point. So and then for the loss, we can see the loss, limited loss, when the maximum loss is the premium pay, when the CMP is less than EP, which is only 40 cents, and then we can conclude that the BEP is equal to EP plus premium pay. So now we're going to answer for the B, which is long put. So just like before, for the first step, we have to look at the outlook, which is bearish, and then we have to identify the parameters. So which is EP is a 5 ringgit and premium paid is 25 cents. So for the BEP, we have to minus EP minus the premium paid, so equal to 4 ringgit and 75 cents. So and the third step is the we have to draw and the pair of the diagram. So as you can see, this is the pair of diagram, and then we can conclude that on the pair of profile. So the first one, we can see that on the graph is unlimited profit when the CMP is less than BEP. So we can also see that on this graph, which is this limited loss, and maximum loss is when the premium paid CMP is more than EP. So the third one is the BEP is equal to EP minus the premium paid. So we're going into the third question, which is for the short calls. So the first step, we have to look at the outlook, which is the neutral or slightly bearish, and the second step, we have to identify the parameters. So as you can see that the EP is the 5 ringgit and premium received is 40 cents. So for the BEP, we have to add both of the EP and the premium received, which is 5 ringgit and 40 cents. For the third step, we have to draw and the pair of the diagram. So as you can see on the diagram or the graph, so we can make the pair of profile. So on the diagram, we can see that the limited of profit, which is the maximum of profit, equal to PM received, CMP less than BEP. So we also can see that the unlimited loss when the CMP is more than EP. So On the third one, VEP is equal to EP plus the premium received. So now we're going into the last one, which is short put. So the first step, look at the outlook. So the outlook is here neutral or slightly bullish. So the second one, you have to identify the parameters. So the parameters is EP equal to 5 ringgit and the premium received is equal to RM 25 cents. So for the BEP, we have to minus EP and the premium received, which is we have the 4 ringgit and 75 cents. So now for the third step, we have to draw and the plot of the diagram. So when we already draw the diagram, we can make the plot of profile, which is we can see that on the diagram. So the limited profit is when the maximum profit, whereas the CMP is more than PP. And then we can see that the unlimited loss, which is CMP, is less than EP. And then the third one, when the BEP break-even point is equal to EP and minus with the premium received. So that's all for the basic option. We have include everything, which is the long call, long put, short put, and short call. I think that's all for me. So we're going to the next video.